Hey guys, today I have a skincare at home spa facial video for you guys. My skin has not been the best lately, and the credit goes to PCOS for that. So while there is little I can do on the outside for my acne, it's more to do with my hormones. There are a few things I can do to improve my skin's texture as much as I can. So this video is for anyone who is looking to just get their glow back at home. So firstly, I like to start off with my eyebrow shaver. This is also the first exfoliant if you go to see. So it's removing all the peach fuzz off your face, cleaning up my eyebrows, and just the first step of grooming. This is optional. Some people like to shave their face, some people don't. So whatever your preferred method of facial hair removal is or not, it depends on you. The next step I like to go in with is my Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. Now, Pre-Cleanse is basically to remove and break down all the oils and dirt on your face. Water cannot really break down oil as good as oils can break up oils. So that's exactly what this pre-cleanse does. You want to first put it dry on your face, massage it in, really make all the dirt loose, and then you want to emulsify it with water. Take some water and start using it as a face wash on your face. You're going to see it get foamy, and that's when you know you're doing it right. After that, you want to wash your face, make sure to rub in some more. The next step is a face wash. I like to use this one by Neutrogena. This is a makeup remover face wash, and which is double effective. My skin feels super clean and super soft, not dry and squeaky, which is good. The next step is something that's a new addition to my skincare by the brand Qure, and it is the QRejuvalightPro face wear. It's an LED light therapy mask. There are different lights for different issues on your skin. Here is what the mask looks like. I really love the packaging. It comes in this box with everything set up, so even when I have to store it, it makes it really easy. Bottom of the box, you'll find a small drawer which has a few more goodies. The mask has a ton of light sensors in it. So this is how you put the strap on and put the black pin that they must have given in the box just to secure it in place. And your mask is ready. The mask functions with an app. There is a button on top of the mask that you want to press and connect it to the Qure app. This is totally customizable. You can choose what treatment you want on which part of your face, or you can have the whole face for a particular treatment. There are options, and then you just want to click on start and the light will come on. So there's a 3-minute mark. You just have to do it for 3 minutes per day. 3 minutes is really not long. So I did this treatment for 1 month every day, and before I know it, 3 minutes are over and the light goes off automatically. The next step is an exfoliant mask I like to use. It's so important to exfoliate your skin to remove those dead skin cells and blackheads and whiteheads once in a while. This is a glycolic mask. And how this works is it actually dissolves any kind of surface water soluble dirt that I have, like whiteheads. And that's the beauty of a chemical exfoliant. You don't have to rub or scrub your face, because that's just spreading bacteria around, and when you have acne prone skin, that's not the best way to exfoliate. Another thing I like to use instead of the mask sometimes when I'm in a hurry is this Ferulic acid resurfacing pads. If I'm using the pads, I don't really need to wash it off. Alternatively, I also use this Dermalogica Breakout Clearing Booster. This is formulated with salicylic acid, so when I use these 3 on different days, I get an all-rounder chemical exfoliation. After that, I like to go in with a moisturizer. 90% of the time, it's this one by derma-E. It's the Ultra Hydrating Alkaline Overnight Facial. Because this doesn't have any active ingredients besides hyaluronic acid, it's really, really good to just plump up your skin. And in the morning, I have baby soft skin. And for my eyes, I like to use the derma-E Hydrating Eye Cream. So I will just apply this, and with a cold jade roller, I will just massage my eye area very lightly for a bit. And for my lips, this is my all-time favorite. This is everything for my lips. It's affordable. You get it in drugstores in Canada, and it is so good. And that's it. I don't know about you, but I can definitely see a huge difference in my skin now versus before when I started the facial. It's clean and glowy and bright. So let me know in the comments below if you all can see the same difference too. I absolutely love my skin after I do this. And here is a comparison of my skin over time after doing this particular routine. This is my nighttime routine every day except for the exfoliation. That is more of an alternate day thing that I do. My skin used to be a complete mess, and I'm so happy to see how far my skin has come. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.